E-volv has made a discovery we've considered sci-fi for decades. Superconductors. That's right, exponentially increasing electrical currents in the grid made possible at infrastructure scale. As time goes on, society's need for electricity rises, and our power grid isn't optimized for this demand. E-volv has developed a mechanical wiring technique that allows the delicate superconductor materials to remain stable at massive scale, making cables 1/10 the size and 100% more efficient than our current power cable infrastructure. We discovered E-volv through the X-Tech Innovators Corner at AUSA 2022. X-Tech looks for non-traditional businesses to grow support of US and allied militaries, giving cash prizes and developing contracts for entrepreneurs and startups. X-Tech helped us at UAT to establish ourselves with government military customers in 2019, and we recommend you check them out too. You can learn more about E-volv by checking out the link in the About section, and check back soon for more innovator shoutouts.